Well, I thought we'd have a quick discussion about some tyres, shall we? As winter is well and truly on its way. It's just a quick video just to show you guys and make you all aware how important obviously it is to check your tyres, check your tyre pressures, check the condition and just the general information. Okay, a lot of people are going to go, well, that's just basic news, we all know that. No, you don't all know that, because we see it firsthand. We see people coming with flat tyres, with bow tyres, with cracked tyres, all sorts of things. So make sure you keep it tuned and I will show you a few things. Right, so the first thing we're going to look at is tread depth. Pretty basic. So the minimum tread depth on a bike is 1 mil. Now, if you look in the tread, you've got these markers. When it gets down to those wear markers, is a good indication of when your tyres need changing. It's not necessarily an MOT failure if it gets down to those markers, because it's over 75% of the tyre. It's just more for your own safety and decent tyre condition. As you can see on these ones, plenty of tread. And the markers are pretty much hard to see because they're right down there in the depths. The next thing is tread pattern and wear. So basically, I can always tell when you guys come in and your tyres have been running flat, because the tread at the side here, towards the side of the tyre, will be uneven. And if you run your hand over that tread, you'll be able to feel it. Like this part here will be lower than the next tread, and it'll be all out of shape. Now that will cause vibrations, make the bike handle not as good as it should do, and all those kind of things. It's very important you keep your tyre pressures topped up within 2 to 3 psi. I can guarantee you, if you kept it up to that, when it does drop 2 or 3 psi, you will notice. So another thing to check is any cracks, splits or damage, any nails, screws or foreign bodies in the actual tyre itself. If you get the bike front wheel up, maybe get someone to put it over on the side stands while you spin the wheel and check. That's always a good thing. Check the tyre valve as well. Not a lot of people check these. It should be, I'm going to sneeze. They should be changed every time you have a new tyre. Check for any cracks or perishing. Literally, I've done this before and it's just gone where it's split and let all the air out. You don't want that happening on the corner, especially on the front or the rear. Now, the next thing I'm going to say is a lot of people don't know about tyre age. So if we have a look on the tyres, there will be a dot mark. So I've got the tyre at the packaging. Now, if you have a look on here, you can see you've got 2725. Now, the end 2 digits is the year it was made. So that's obviously 2025. Now, let's have a look. Not sure what the light's going to be, but let's have a look, see what date is on the old tyres. That's typical. It's right where I can't see it. Right. So it's upside down, but you can see that's 2023. So this tyre is 2 years old. Now, any tyre that's over 5 years old is best to replace, because the rubber deteriorates, the rubber will go hard and it will not stick to the road as it should do. Right, that's that really. There's a lot more I could go on about, but just keep it basic. It's coming up to winter. Make sure you check your tyres, keep them, keep the PSIs up to scratch, the pressures. Check the dot date. If they're more than 5 years old, get them replaced, and just make sure they're in good general condition. That's going to see you safely through the winter. This is Motorcycle Repair Torbay. If you need any answers, any questions, if you'd like to book your bike in for repairs or like to come and view a bike, we're based in Paynton, Devon. Make sure you like, make sure you share and make sure you subscribe. Thank you very much.